Ohayo gozaimasu. Ohayo gozaimasu.
So?
Morning. It's sunny today. It's not raining. Going back to Kyoto. Today we're all in black.
No, you are not.
As in outerwear.
Slightly matching.
Woohoo! Hello. Hello. We lost one woman. We lost one woman. Hi. Oh my god. What the hell? There's a lot of steps. Okay. Let's go. Hopefully this is the top. Yeah, thank God you're not here. Oh yes. No more steps. No more steps. Why? This is the top.
That's a while.
I'm sweating.
Yeah, me too. My inner and my leggings very hot.
Yeah, I sweat in Japan. Yes. Should we eat lunch here? Inari sushi. What's it called? I think it's the tofu skin one. That one's called Inari sushi, right?
Yeah.
But this is fushimi-inari Taisho shrine. So Inari sushi, yeah? Okay. Correct, right? No. Wait. Inari udon. Is there such thing? Nadia, we coming. Nadia. Hello.
How is it?
Oh, yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
It smells good
Okay, we eat
It
here.
smells damn good. Wow, almost 1 And then it's quite okay at the price.
Is it? Then really got inari.
Yeah.
Then inari sushi. See, I correct the way got inari sushi. Is it nice?
Okay, you can tell the difference between local and tourists. The way they dress already. Yeah. The way the color.
Nice, very nice. Wow. Wow. Oh my god. We're playing a game. Follow the kimono.
Oh?
We're going to the bamboo forest. Ooh. Yeah. Going to one last stop. Going to the Golden Pavilion, Kinkakuji Temple. Kinkakuji Temple. Today a lot of walking.
Yes.
Today we lack one person because she needs to pee, so she's in front. She's walking to the station
Tomorrow is
to pee.
leg rest day.
And tomorrow is rest day, yes. The street's very nice.
How was like studying? What's nice?
I don't know, it seems very peaceful.
Because not like
Not city lah.
yeah. Eh, how? Try to tahan.
She needs to pee. Let's go, let's go.
See you there.
You okay or not? No, okay.
I got he got bottle. No, when can girls do in a bottle? Okay, I feel better after sitting up. Okay, no.
Yeah, last stop. I'm so tired.
Why?
Tired.
Was that on video?
Yes. Yay, we are at the
Toilet, who want to go toilet?
Golden Pavilion.
Never mind, at least we know toilet is nearby.
It was so nice.
C'est very compliqué.
Oh,
Take
there's prawn soup here. Is it prawn soup? I hope it's prawn milk tea. No lah. Ew, prawn milk tea. Wait, ew I already got what's it called? Salted egg milk tea. Can I try it? I don't know which store, but there is a salted egg milk tea. Oh, from Playmate, the wasabi pearls. Mala pearls.
I think malapos.
From Playmate.
Malapos. Ew.
Oh, then we can use this. If we don't have finished, we can use.
Oh my god, it's freaking hot. Yeah, oh my god,
It's in a can.
It's in a can.
Oh, prawn soup. Make sure I can hold.
Okay.
I got a straw if you
Bro, it's Ebi no bisque. Corn soup. We're gonna buy this and the prawn one. Crazy. Corn, butter corn is it? And Ebi no bisque soup. I think it's just can.
Alamak, pakai tisu dah.
It looks like carrot juice. Let's see.
Smells nice.
Smells
Smells weird, right?
Smells nice, what?
smells weird. We never cleaned it.
Oh.
Interesting. Clean it for you. Can we open this also?
What is it?
It's like tomato soup with a hint of seafood.
Yeah.
Nice. It's like
Wait. I don't like it.
like stew.
Nice.
After a while,
Nice.
it tastes
Campbell
like
soup.
very weird. Like the chips yesterday.
Yeah.
But very useful at drinking like that in a can.
Yeah. Gee, the color so weird.
Oh, smells nice. So smells very instant.
I eat with bread, nice.
Nice.
Sweet. Like
Sweet
sweet
corn.
corn.
I mean, corns are sweet naturally or what?
It's by Asahi.
Interesting. I like this one because I like corn.
Oh my god, corn's not very strong.
Yeah. Nice, right?
I know you
Oh, a
also
bit
like that.
sweet.
Yeah, it's too sweet.
It tastes like ice cream.
This one to me
Hot
smells
ice cream.
like the
Corn
seafood.
ice cream.
Yeah, hot corn ice cream.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
I don't really
Sweet, I like this.
this.
Okay, finish. Time to go home. Yum yum yum. Yum. Dinner. Only finished already. End of day 2.
Oh, day 3 man.
Day 3 or day 2?
Day 1
Day
is
3.
flying.
No,
Okay
that's
lah,
day
day
0.
2. Day 2. Day 3 lah. Today is the
Day,
fushimi.
no, the one to have day 0.
Day 3.
No such thing as day
Do you have
0.
to
Day
put it?
3. Why? Okay, fine. So end of day 3. And tomorrow is a rest day.
Yes.
Oh,
My
tired,
leg
but
want to
anyways.
break. So
It's
extra.
been so fun so far. I hope we continue this way. And yeah, tomorrow shopping? I don't know. We'll see how. Okay. Bye bye. I'm gonna eat. Ooh, looks so good. Hello, this girl.
Hey, don't show lah.
Behind the scenes. 1, 2, 3. Did you fall down last year?